Hello guys, hope you are enjoying very good health. Next paper is Pakistan Affairs for CSS competitive examination. This paper covers very diverse domains, like it will cover the ideology of Pakistan, and next will be land and people of Pakistan, like Pakistan and changing regional apparatus. Nuclear program of Pakistan will also be discussed in Pakistan Affairs, civil military relations, economic challenges, non-traditional security threats, Pakistan role in regional and Palestine issues, political evolution since 1971 and foreign policy of Pakistan post 9/11, hydropolitics, Pakistan national interest, Kashmir issue, war of Afghanistan, and proxy wars. These are very diverse topics that will also cover the political science and current affairs and international relations. So this is very interesting subject for both CSS and PMS. Aspirants should focus to study from different books to ace this paper. You can easily pass this paper by going through these topics. Pakistan at Crossroads by Christopher Jeffolet is very interesting book to study the Pakistan's domestic dynamic and external pressure at Pakistan, and this book will definitely help you to go through the examination. Apart from that, Trek to Pakistan is also very interesting book that will discuss about the pre-independence, and you should also memorize the pre-independence phase because mostly MCQs come from the pre-independence phase, and two subjective questions also come from the pre-independence phase. Next book is Governing the Ungovernable by Ishrat Hussain. He will discuss about the institutional reforms for democratic governance. Many topics will be covered by this book. Pakistan Beyond the Crisis State by Maliha Lodhi is also very interesting book according to the Pakaffairs point of view. So one must study all these books to go through the examination of Pakaffairs. Apart from this, there are many suggested books at the part of FPSC. You can also study these books to pass the examination. But the books we have suggested are commonly used for this purpose. Thank you so much.